Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make soft brackets with the NX Siemens software. So if you already open the NX Siemens software, follow my instruction. Select this new, select the model, give the name of the part that you will be making. I will make 3.2, 3.22 soft bracket, soft bracket, like this, and then click OK. Okay. Okay, I will make this from the top view, something like that. Okay, from this view I will make this first, and then I will make line like this also for this. Okay, let's get started. Select sketch, select here, and then OK. First I will make the circle. Select circle from this existing point to this, something like that. Select the profile, click on here to here, here and here. Right click and then OK. Right click and then OK. Select this circle and this line, make tangent. Also for this, select this circle and this line, make tangent. After make tangent, you must define the diameter. The diameter is 75. Minimize, select the rapid dimension, select this circle and give the dimension 75, enter, then close. Okay, I will select the quick trim, select quick trim, select this curve, and then close. After that I will select this line from the top to this, like this, and then right click OK. Select the quick trim again, select this line and this line, click close. After click close, you give the dimension 28. Select this rapid dimension from here to here is 28, enter, close, and then I will give the distance from center to this is 113. Click rapid dimension from this to this 113 and then enter. Click close. The sketch is fully constrained. It's already to make extrude. Select finish, going to the trimetric value, click extrude this and this. Okay, something not like that. Select extrude first, select this and give the value of extrude is 75, enter, and then apply. Okay, cancel. Okay, I will select extrude again. Okay, not this, finish sketch first. Specify vector. Okay, no problem. So I will make the new sketch. Click sketch from here and then OK. Select the project of 1, 2, 3 and 4. Click apply, cancel, select trim here and close. I will rotate first. Click finish sketch, click extrude, select this line and this. Okay, something error. Okay, click extrude, not connected curve, single curve. Waiting, select this arch, this line, and also this line. So I will reverse the direction, something like that, and select the unit. After select the unit, you keep the dimension. The thickness is 28, so I will select on this 28, enter, and then click apply, cancel, and then I will sketch again on here, select this area, and then click OK. After click OK, I will select the project curve, because I will select this, and this, and click apply. After that, I will trim this line, click cancel, select the quick trim, select this line, and then click OK. After that, select extrude. Okay, after select extrude, you must give it a dimension. The dimension is same like this, 25 minus 28, 75 minus 28, 75 minus 28, and don't forget to unit this body. Click apply, something like that is already make it. So after that, I will make this semicircular slot. Okay, I will select the sketch, select on here and click OK. Click the circle, make strike from this to this like this, and click 19, enter. After that, select the line from here to here, from here to here, right click and OK. Click this circle and this circle, click this line and this circle, this circle and this line. OK, be patient, select this and this, select tangent, select this and this, select this and this. Wow, very long time. Select this and this. Okay, move first, select this and this, select tangent. After that, I will quick trim from this to this and close. Okay, from the center point of the circle, the distance from here to here is 50. Select this rapid dimension, from here to here is 50. Okay, click enter. After click enter, click close. Okay, something like that. I will select the project curve. Select the project curve, select this line and apply, cancel, and then I will select quick trim, select this, trim this and this, also this, click close. After that, I will make extrude, already selected by automatic system, and I will reverse the direction, select the subtract command. Okay, after that I will select apply and then click cancel. Okay, something like that is already make it. So I will make the hole, this hole and this hole. The diameter is 38, so I will minimize first, select the sketch, select this and then OK. Select this circle from here to here, give the rapid dimension select this circle and then give the 30 edge, enter, close, and then click finish sketch. After that I will select the extrude, select this circle, reverse the direction, and select the through all, something like that. Okay, click apply. Okay, already make it. So after that I will make this. Okay, click sketch again. From here click OK, and then select the rectangle like that, right click and OK. After that fill the dimension 10, and then from here to here is 41. Okay, select this rapid dimension, select this and then click 10. Okay, click close. Okay, after that I will select this line from here to here, right click and OK, and then I will select the project curve, select this and apply, click cancel, click this line and this circle, click this. Okay, something like that. So I will give the distance from here to here is 41, select the rapid dimension, select this, and then click 41, enter, and then click close. Okay, after that I will make the help of line, select here to here, right click and OK, select this line and then select this horizontal. Okay, already horizontal, so I will extrude this, and then I will select this line, right click and then convert to reference. After that I will click finish sketch, select extrude, select this line, and this line, and then I will select the reverse direction, select the through all. Okay, something like that, click apply, then close. Okay, after that I will make this hole, the diameter is 56. Select sketch, select here area and then click OK. After that click circle, from this to this, give the rapid dimension, click this and then give the dimension is 56, enter, click close, and then finish sketch. Going to the thematic view, click extrude, select this, going back, and then the tip of this hole is 10, so select this and then fill 10, enter, click apply. After that I will make also in this bottom, so you must make the plane first because I will mirror this feature. Select the datum plane, select here and apply, cancel, and then I will select more, click mirror feature. Okay, I will scroll this, select the extrude, select existing plane, select here. Okay, if you see the cube on this area, the meaning is already make it, so I will apply, something like that, and cancel. Okay, after that don't forget to make the radius. The value of radius is 10, so I will make or choose the edge plane, click 10, double click, and then click here, also here. Okay friend, it show the preview. Click OK, and then your model is already made it. So I will select this view, select show and hide. I will hide this and close. After that, I'm going to the render through setting, and then I will select this color, okay, something like that. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and support this channel. You must, if you have any questions or any suggestion, you can comment on the comment column. So thank you and see you on the next video.